Well. All hair transplants which look similar, which look good, are not necessarily good. We would like you to know the difference between a real hair transplant and a boosted hair transplant. And what does it take to give a result which is actually real? Stay tuned, watch the video till end. As you can see in this patient, we did a hair transplant surgery 2 years back, and it was 1500 grafts by FUE technique, follicular unit extraction. It wasn't direct hair implant, it wasn't some great innovation which we did, CHT, BHT, THT, VHT, perfect CVD, IP. No, nothing. It was plain FUE which we did for him. 1500 grafts were done. The patient looks great after 2 years of hair transplant. You can see the hairline. You can see the fine work which has been done on the hairline. It's a top-notch work. And you can see the merging with existing hair. You have a look at the pre-pictures, have a look at 1 year post-op picture, have a look at 2 years post-op picture. Amazing transformation. But what makes this hair transplant even more amazing is the fact that we did not start minoxidil or finasteride for this patient. Now, those who don't know what effect these medicines can produce in the final outcome of hair transplant, please have a look at these cases. These are the cases where no transplant was done, just medicine was given, 1 mg finasteride per day. In some patients, even higher doses, little higher, 1.25 or something. Have a look at this case. The patient was suggested 1 mg finasteride per day along with 3,500 grafts, and the patient did not go for hair transplant. Instead, he just took medicine for around 4-5 months and see the amazing transformation. Now, when the hairline can be made thicker, and all these patients which you are watching, they are no transplant patients. Look at the hairline which has grown nicely, and apparently there were no hair. Now, this is the hairline created by God, because these hair were already there. Though they were not visible, these hair were already there. Now, this is the hairline which we created, was created by man, created by surgeon. So match these two hairline. When surgeon is transplanting or giving you results without the help of finasteride, these results really matter. These results are difficult to achieve. These results need skill, artistic skill, coverage, honest numbers. Anyone can plant 400, 500, 600, even 1000 or 2000 grafts and hide the result with help of medicine. That's not going to work for you. You know the problems with medicine. You will become dependent on medicine. You cannot stop it. You risk your health, with medications. And moreover, there are chances of tolerance as well. You might need to step up the doses after some point of time. So what I'm telling you here is, when you see results which inspire you to get a transplant transformation, and you don't even know that it's a real hair transplant result, you will never get a real hair transplant result. These results are going to fade out. You must be seeing a lot of people around you where they got a transplant done, and very soon everything is gone. Most of these cases are the cases, these results were the results which were never hair transplant results. They were results of medicine being projected as a hair transplant result. And not only you got confused, but the patient who got this surgery done, he got confused. Not only him, but the surgeon who did the surgery also thought that he did a wonderful transplant. So if you want a good hairline which shall sustain even if you have thinning behind, you must choose a surgeon with skills, with honesty, with transparency, who lets you understand the concept of medicine, doesn't keep you in dark. And these results are going to stay long. Not every single patient who is being transplanted needs this medicine. It doesn't mean that every single patient where transplant is done, doesn't need medicine. I also give the medicine, but only to those patients who need it. Right time, right dose, and most importantly, right intent. I hope this helps. And if you have questions, ask in comment section. If you have doubts, please ask, don't hesitate. But understand this concept. Hair transplantation is a very important decision of your life, and finasteride medicine plays such an immense role in altering the results, in boosting the results, that it may completely change your perception about your perspective about a clinic whom you are just about to choose. So many of those results, if you see without the makeup of finasteride, you probably don't even think of getting a transplant at that place. So let the honest people, honest surgeons, let us make this society where people who are seeking solutions and people who are providing solutions, they all come together for the sake of patient, for the benefit of patients, not for just the sake of selling. I hope you'll share this information if you like this with as many as possible so that maximum people have access to such information. If you want us to make videos on some particular topic, do write in comment section. We answer all the comments, and most of the times I personally read all the comments. Thank you for all the love and lots of gratitude. Shukriya.